Okay, the market is on the other side, but this is a temple as well. And I'm just going to go over now to a lady who sells birds, 4 for 100 baht, so £2, and I free them, and every time I come here I buy 4 birds. She's just sitting over here. I'm quite a regular visitor. Sawadika. Kopkunka. And what you do is you get your birds and then you release them. And I always go over here. And that is the school of the temple here. They have a school. It's also a place where the monks live, all ages, and their quarters are just over there. But I love this temple. I truly do. It's just, I often come here and just sit. I think everybody needs a place to sit. Anyway, I come as far away from the noise and the crowd and just release these little birds. Maybe I was a bird in another life, I don't know, but I hate seeing birds in cages. I know it's a bit wobbly, this video, but I'm trying to carry a bag with all my shopping in at the same time. Right, these are the little tiny birds that we're talking about. I don't know if you can see them. Most temples have them. Anyway, little prayer for these little birds, that they're not homing birds, for God's sake, and let hope that they just fly free now and they're never caught again and they can live the life they want. Okay, here we go. Come on, little chaps. Out you come. There we are. Great. And then what you do is you take that back to the lady. When I was in Rayong, went to a monastery, they had fish in bags. And cynical me said, oh yeah, they just get them out the lake and they sell them and make money. And I was really put in my place by my 2 friends who said, no, Jane, the lake that you see in front of you, which is where you release them, actually flows out to the sea. So the fish have a chance of getting out to sea. So, you know, I just love the simplicity of the Thai life, of the Buddhist life. I have my God, obviously, but I just love everything about here, which is why I tend to just come out and just sit with Thai people, because you just come away feeling happy. Can't explain it, but you do. All about peace, my friends, all about peace.